Good morning, everyone. It is day 15 post-op from bilateral knee surgery. Today I'm traveling, but I wanted to take a minute to just go through how to make a healthy protein shake. I know a lot of you don't have a strong appetite because of the pain medications that we're on, and the video that I did last week was taken down because I said something about one of the brands I work with and should not have. So that won't happen again, but I don't want to have you guys miss out on learning about how to make an easy, delicious protein shake. So we're just gonna walk through it right now. I start with ice in my blender, and you can make a base or a liquid base of either coconut milk, almond milk, regular milk. I usually use water when I'm training and stuff, but today I have a really busy day. I'm traveling to Tahoe to see my work family, so I'm gonna use some light organic coconut milk as my base. I'm gonna do just like a half a can of it. Then I'm gonna put in a scoop of green superfood antioxidant. This is made by Amazing Grass. You can just buy it at the grocery store. I think I got this at Fred Meyer. That coconut milk I think I got at Whole Foods, but you put a scoop of that in. I'm using whey protein isolate. I got it at Costco. My kids like it. I like it. There's probably better ones out there for you. I don't know, but this is one that everybody in my family likes and that we use. So I'm going to put a heaping scoop of that in there. There's 24 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, and 110 calories. In the coconut milk, there was in a quarter cup 40 calories, so 80 calories, and we're gonna put some spinach in it, and then a banana, and I've got my Lyft driver at the door, so I'm gonna have to keep this short. I'm going to blend this up, and then later in the post you will see how it came out. That's it. Pretty simple. You can put other kinds of fruits, experiment, and have fun with it. Take care, everyone. Cheers.